How to use Lemonade AI in Roblox Studio. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for lemonade.gg. You will then be led to the official webpage of Lemonade, so go ahead and firstly sign yourself in. So tap on the sign in option you see there and then tap on the sign in with Roblox option. You will then be required to enter your Roblox credentials. So go ahead and enter your Roblox username and password. So go ahead and enter your Roblox login credentials, that is your username or email or phone number and your password. You might then be required to complete the verification process for logging in. So go ahead and log yourself in firstly completely and verify your login. You will then be redirected to this kind of interface, so go ahead and scroll down and tap on the confirm and give access option you see there if you want to use Lemonade AI and Roblox Studio together. You will then be required to verify that you are a human, so go ahead and complete the required process. And now, as you can see, Lemonade AI has been successfully connected to your Roblox account. So this was about how you can use Lemonade AI in Roblox Studio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.